Hi everybody, welcome to Seraphim's Whim. This is my YouTube channel and welcome to my YouTube video. I hope you're all doing well. This is just going to be another little cozy vlog, just some updates and things that are kind of happening in my life. I found that making YouTube videos lately has been really relaxing, and it's a way to motivate myself not only to enjoy more of my hobbies, but also be a little bit more grateful for everything that happens in my life, whether it's, spending time with friends or traveling or anything under the sun. And so this has been really nice to be somewhat reflective and also just kind of a kind of kick in the butt to do more of my hobbies and to motivate myself to do things that are kind of tucked away on a shelf and I haven't gotten around to. But I feel like if I make videos about things that I'm up to, then it kind of gives me an excuse to actually get up to doing more things. So thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. And let's get into the video. So this isn't like a week in my life. It's kind of like 2 weeks or so. I actually ended up getting sick, which was really unfortunate. But I spent a lot of time resting, which was much needed. And I also spent a lot of time watching anime, which was really nice. I'm currently watching Oshinoko, the second season, and I'm really enjoying it so far. I'm 5 episodes in. I'm watching it on High Dive. Yeah, I actually don't really have a favorite character in this show, but I think it's a really interesting look at the entertainment industry. I ended up going to the beach with my friends literally right after vacation, which was beautiful because the heat from the beach was so relaxing because contrasted from the weather in Orlando, Florida. It was like really tolerable. Like the heat was perfect and it was relaxing, and where it felt really hot to other people, it kind of just felt like the perfect warm temperature, especially the sand. Like when you put your feet in the sand, it's so relaxing. Oh my gosh, this was like a dream. I have not been to the beach in literally like 4 years, but I carved some time away to actually just go to the beach with my friends, and I'm so glad that I did. We spent almost all day at the beach. I actually forgot about how peaceful the water is and being in the water and swimming. Like I used to love swimming as a kid, but I don't really get to do it very often as an adult. But oh my gosh, this was so relaxing. It was kind of a shock when I went in the water though, and it's like super salty, and I'm like, wow, I forgot that it was gonna be super salty, and blah, it was weird. But I adjusted once I remembered that it was gonna be salty. It was really peaceful. We actually saw lots of fish in the water, and we actually saw like little hermit crabs, and oh my gosh, the hermit crabs were so cute. Look at them, they're so little. I just love it, and oh, it was so cute. I'm so grateful for the day. It's so important to keep doing things that you don't normally get to do to kind of shake up your routine. So it's like me going to the beach, I haven't gone in years, so it felt really fresh and it felt really new. And because of that, I felt like I got a lot of excitement just doing something new again. And I'm trying to remember to continue to do new things, and that this will help me live a better life. And this will help me have a better mindset and a better headspace. These are some of the cute things that I got from Florida. Let's get into it. So this is like a small mini, let's say this is the loot. Like this is my vacation loot that I got. I found a gorgeous pink purse that I think will go with a lot of the things in my wardrobe. I really love the heart buckles. I think they're adorable. It is really tiny, but I think it'll be cute for quick day trips and just little cute fits. I'm really happy with it. It wasn't too expensive, and I got it from the store Burlington. These shoes I got are Terex Adidas shoes, and essentially they're really good for the winter time. My partner has a pair of these in black, and he loved them so much that he ended up buying another pair. So when I saw these at Ross, I ended up picking them up. They were only $40, and originally I'm pretty sure they sell for like $200. And they're essentially like really tough shoes. Like they're really hard, and you can wear them in the wintertime and your shoes won't get wet. I think they're really cute. They also match this Adidas jacket that I thrifted, perfectly, which is kind of funny because it has like the black stripe and these shoes have the black heel. Yeah, I really like them. I think they're really cute. I love blue. Blue's a really pretty color. And honestly, they're just meant to be really practical, but I also like the style of them too. This pink tank top is from Faded Rose. I'm pretty sure I got this at either at like Ross or Marshall's. Most of the shirts, if not all the shirts, are actually from Ross or Marshall's. I like these cute tank tops that are simple but adorable because I can use them as pajamas or I can actually use them in outfits, and they're just really comfy for the house. I got one in pink. I think this one's really cute. I actually might have another one in white that I bought last time I was in Florida. They're really nice and they actually are really durable. This top that I got that's white with little black ribbons on it is also Faded Rose. Most of the shirts are also either XL or L, just as a note. This one's really cute. I really like the detail of the shirt and I love the little bow. I think bows make everything cuter, so I'm really happy, and I picked out a lot of shirts that have bows on them. I actually think all of my shirts have bows on them, except for this t-shirt. This t-shirt I got from Uniqlo. It is actually a part of the Oshinoko collection, which is so cute. I love the bunny on the front with the little bow, and then the bunny again on the back with all of like the little light sticks that you use during like concerts in Japan or like idol shows in Japan. I think that's so adorable. I don't know what you call those light sticks, but I kind of want one. They're really fun, eh? This is definitely a shirt I can see myself wearing all the time. It's really comfy and cute and really relaxed. This black knitted tank top I think I got from Zoomies, I think you call it. Not Zoomies, Tilly's. Zoomies. That's funny. I got this knitted tank top from Tilly's. It was on sale. I think it was about $10. It's really cute. It's really soft. It fits kind of interestingly, but I really like the scallop detail, and it's really, really comfy. I got this really cute, I don't really know what to call it, maybe like a milkmaid top. It's the brand Sienna Sky, and I really like the puff sleeves. I think they're adorable. I love green. I think green's a really pretty color, and I love like that kind of cottagecore vibe. It feels very fantasy-esque, but it's really a simple shirt that I can wear in the summertime when it's hot. And I really like the bow underneath the bust. I think that's really cute. And there's shearing in the back. It's just a really pretty, cute shirt that I can wear. Yeah, wear in the summer because it's nice, breezy, and it's also still really thin. I think this long sleeve shirt is so cute. It is pretty garbage, and the bow detail down the sleeves is literally adorable, like so cute. I can see myself wearing this a lot in fall and winter. And I think it's a really easy shirt to toss on with just like a black skirt. It's just really cute. I'm really happy with it, and I like the like peekaboo detail on the sleeves as well. Super cute. And I think this will go well with like you can wear ribbons in your hair or wear ribbons like ribbon hair clips. I got this pink top that's very similar to the tank top that I picked up. It's also Faded Rose. And it's also just like a simple staple. I can wear this for work, or I can just wear this, hanging out with my friends. Really comfy and really simple. All the shirts ranged kind of from like $10 to $15, and I got some things on sale too that were like $6, which is awesome. I got this really adorable bear tank top. I think I also got this from Ross or Marshall's. And I think it's just really cute with the teddy bear detail. I'll probably wear this a lot to bed, if not just as like kind of like a basic for other things to match in my wardrobe. I really like white and blue paired together, so when I saw this I knew I needed to have it. It's really cute. I also like I like a lot of shirts that have kind of like that ribbed texture or like line texture. I think it's really flattering on myself personally, and it's also just really comfortable. I think the little bows on the shirts are really cute. I don't know, it kind of makes me think, it kind of has like that kind of sweet, soft vibe, and I really like it. And so I kind of want to bring that soft, cozy energy into my life. So that's everything that I got from Florida. I'm really happy with everything that I got, and I know I'm going to wear everything that I got. I just kind of wanted to show you a little bit of the things that I picked up and my thoughts behind why I picked them up. And yeah, I'm hoping to do some styling and fashion content on my channel because obviously I really love clothes. And so it's just part of my hobby. And so I hope you enjoy this kind of content. I want it to be comfy and casual. I just want to share some of that energy with you and also kind of make content that I like to watch. And yeah. Since I was sick for a little while, it was really sad because I haven't been able to exercise the way that I normally do. And for me, exercising is really important to kind of like, this sounds kind of rough, kind of like to regulate my emotions. And I feel like it's a really good release of tension and everything like that. So when I'm sick and I'm kind of unable to stick with my routine, I honestly get like a little bit frustrated, and it's kind of a shame, but I've been really patient with myself. I've been really understanding, but I only finally got back into things like 2 days ago. Basically got to jump on the stationary bike, which was really nice, not only for my mind, but obviously for my body. I ended up making curry, and this curry is delicious. It's Glico medium instant curry. It's so good. This is something that I make whenever I kind of want to bunker down and just relax. So I'll make a big pot of this. You can literally see it's like overflowing. Like I made this like to the top. Kind of funny. I make the onion and chicken separate, and then I boil the vegetables, and then I put the chicken and onion in, and I put the bouillon cubes in, or whatever you call them, like curry cubes. I like sesame seeds on top of my curry with a little bit of Kikkoman soy sauce. Kikkoman soy sauce is my favorite. It's so good. I have really been trying to do things that make me smile more, and sometimes it takes like a conscious effort, but I really do think it's worth it. Because even like the small changes and choices that you make, it'll like impact your daily life. And so I keep telling myself this is that I need to make small changes. I need to engage in the things that I enjoy because I will be happier. I have a tendency to get like really discouraged, like when I get sick or when my plans change, but I'm trying to be softer on myself. And I hope you're also being soft on yourself as well. Like you're only human. We're all doing our best, and you have to also just live your life at the same time as enjoying your life, at the same time as surviving. And so life will fluctuate between easy times and hard times, and so just be kind to yourself. I don't always say it a lot, but one of the best things that I've ever done in my life is really cultivate like a good friend group, and it's taken a lot of time and stress and effort and everything like that, but I'm really grateful for all my friends in my life and my family, of course. And I don't always say it out loud, but I do feel like I'm a stronger person because of my friends. They really lift up my spirits when I'm with them, like just being around, and I cherish them so much. They mean so much to me, and I'm happy for all the connections and friends that I have made in my life, and especially even the ones that I don't get to hang out with anymore. I still wish them the best, and I do still think about them very fondly. So what's been on my mind lately is a couple different things, and I'm just going to talk about them. I always laugh because when I'm having a lot of fun, like I was having so much fun at the beach, like it was awesome. The sun, the water, I felt so rejuvenated. But it's funny because I'll often be in the middle of a moment and like really conscious that one day what I'm experiencing will be a memory. And I just feel like I have to soak it all up and like enjoy it to the fullest before the moment passes. Like, does anybody else ever feel this way? And maybe it's anxiety, I'm not sure, but like, I feel like those moments are so powerful and I have to appreciate them because I don't want them to pass me by. And it's just like, I'm just so happy. I want to bottle this feeling up and like, I want to bottle this feeling, put it up on a shelf, and then like whenever I'm sad, I can like take that bottle out and like just like hold the memory close, and maybe that'll heal me. That's just how I feel. But I can't help but have that feeling kind of poke back into my mind and be like, oh my goodness, like you're going to be thinking about this when you're 70 years old. Like you better enjoy it now. You're only young for so long. You're only going to have this moment once. It's never going to happen again. That's definitely anxiety. I'm sure it's anxiety. Oh gosh. Just tell me if you feel this way too, because I'm like, oof, maybe I think too hard. Maybe I think too much. I'm definitely an overthinker. Yeah. So that's kind of what's been on my mind. During this time too, talking about things that I haven't done in a little while, I ended up going to the market, which is amazing. I think that it's harvest time for some people, and I just want to share my appreciation for anyone who grows their own food or grows food for other people. I think that's amazing. I think it's super important work, and it's such hard work, and so I just sending my appreciation out to the world. I wanted to wear a cute little outfit. I'm wearing like a cute little scarf and a white dress, and this is my little market fit, and I'm gonna go eat some delicious food. We ended up eating some really delicious things. We had noodles, we had like meat on a stick, we had this delicious like roll cake. They make it on like a spit, and then they cook the batter on the hot metal. Oh my gosh, it was delicious. This also had like shredded coconut on it. We ended up buying some German bread. This is German rye bread. It's actually really heavy and it feels really dense, but I'm so excited to actually like taste this. Other than the market on the weekend, I played Dungeons and Dragons with my friends. So every single week when we're free, which is fairly consistent, we basically play a modded version of 5e. We basically play like a homebrew, so it's a homebrew and mixed with 5e rules. It's really fun. Our DM's amazing. It's really awesome. There tends to actually be almost like 9 of us at a table, which is not really common. Normally you have like a party of 4 to 5 people. So we do have a large table, but the reason we have such a large table is really nice because when people can't make it to game, we still have game. Like the story progresses regardless if everyone's at the table. Which is nice because sometimes we do have a small party of 5 and you have these kind of like breakaway stories, which are really cute, like almost like a la anime-esque. If people can make it that week, that's amazing. And if they can't, that's okay too. It's basically like a no pressure kind of environment. We are actually nearing the end of this campaign that we're in. It's almost been going on for, I want to say like 4 years, 5 years, I'm not sure, but it's been a really long time. This is one thing that really helps me kind of get through the week is like, if you have a busy, stressful week at work, at least you're gonna be able to play D&D at the end of the week with your friends, and that's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be healing. And I think my favorite thing about playing tabletop and Dungeons and Dragons is really just like sitting around a table with a bunch of friends and just laughing, just like making these wild scenarios, and it feels super organic, like it's not forced. You're just like, this silly thing happens, or these characters have a funny interaction, and I don't know, just being able to laugh at this kind of collective story we've all created together is really, really powerful and healing. And it also, you get these like inside jokes that nobody else knows, and like that's so incredible and so fun. My character in our game has a little pink familiar, and the pink familiar is a spider. And so I actually sewed this. I made this little plushie to represent my familiar. It's kind of like a game that's like kind of a la like Little Witch Academia. Playing D&D with my friends literally makes my week. Being able to see them, being able to laugh, and I just appreciate them so much, and I hope they know how much I love them. I definitely recommend getting into D&D if you haven't yet, or tabletop in general. And there's lots of really great YouTube videos online that can basically tell you the steps to starting a game or how you can join other games and stuff like that. But it's really fun. So yeah, that was some things that I've been up to, some things that I've been thinking about. I just wanted to share kind of what I've been up to, and I really appreciate anyone who's tuned in to listen to this. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Remember to be kind and always stay true to yourself.